Hello guys, welcome to day 154 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Today I'm going to practice some JavaScript codes. If you remember, about 1 month ago, I started to create a button for my website, and that button was creating a dark mode and light mode for the website. But I was not successful to create that button. I had some problem, the lack of knowledge in that field. So recently I learned JavaScript and I decided to come back to that project and complete this this button, the dark and light mode button for my website. So I am not sure if I can create it because I have no prior experience to create this button, but I'm going to try my best and see what will be the results. Okay, let's get started. And first of all, I'm going to open the website that I was created before. Where it was in the C drive, my web creating projects, entry page for online game. So this is the folder. I'm going to drag and drop it into my VS Code. We have the folder. Let's check if it works. I am forgetting how it was looking. I mean my website. Okay, this is my website, but a dark mode. I think it's better to use my other project, because if I want to create a dark and light mode for this website, I have to change the whole scene for it, right? But this is not black and white scene, right? So I'm going to close this folder from here, close folder, open my other project. My CV website, and check out the portfolio page. It's okay. If you see from here, I already created the button, but I didn't complete it, right? So there is a button which write light and dark. If I click on this, I think nothing going to happen. Yes, nothing happened. Let me check my codes to see what I have done. What was the name of this tag? I'm going to check it. So there is a button called class button D, and it's in the main page. Portfolio page. Here it is, the button. Okay, so it's a normal button. Now I have to use jQuery in order to use JavaScript. So to creating a jQuery page, I think I needed to open a new file, select a language, should it be JS. I forgot how to add jQuery. So let me check my notes, which is in this computer, and you cannot see it. So we need a CDN link, right? And we have different CDNs. I can use Google CDN. Let's check the website for Google CDN. Google CDN jQuery. So I have to copy this piece of code. Where to paste it? So I have to create a index. I already created. Select a language, and I can say jQuery.js or can I write the codes of jQuery inside of JS here? Let me check the in JS index. So I think I can use it both together, the jQuery in a JavaScript page, right? And the appropriate conversation must be applied when mixing jQuery with other JavaScript code. So I think I can use it here also, the JavaScript code and jQuery code all together here. I'm not sure, but I'm going to try it for now. And I have to copy this code and paste it right before JavaScript CDN in portfolio page. We don't have here a JavaScript, so I am only going to add this code. Control KF in order to ordering this code. Now I added the jQuery CDN. Let's get back here. Removing this. Okay. Now how do we using the button, the dark light mode button, I have to use a code called toggle. So toggle will change this the state will change the state of the button of the CSS code. So where's my CSS code? Here it is. So I can create, I think I can create two class in the CSS, and one of them is changing the background to the white, and one of them change it to black. And then use the toggle button to include the these two classes. But how I were using the toggle button? let's write the jQuery code. So we have a $sign here. We have to write it. As the syntax I am watching in this notes that I have wrote, first I have to mention the tag or the class that I want to use a function on that. So if we come back here, the class name of the button was button D, I think. Button D. So we have a button D dot on, right? So when the user click on this tag, then we need a function. Am I right? Yes. The syntax is true. So I have to delete this one. Nope. What I'm writing here in this monitor is a function that is using a toggle button in order to change the color of a font. So I watch this syntax in here and trying to use it in order to customize my button. So here we need to say what kind of function we want to be applied on our button D class. So the function should be called by a $sign here to connect to jQuery. Then here we have a parentheses and quotation, and inside this quotation we have to say what we want to be changed. So this should be a class name. I am leave it blank for now, so we have to come back in the CSS page and then create a class, right? Let me check the syntax again. Here in my notes, I wrote that if I use toggle, it will hide and show the content every time that the user click on the content of a tag or class. But we don't want to hide or show the content. We want to change the color. So I am thinking about, am I using the right code? I mean, is it the toggle used in order to change the color as well? So let's search it in Google. Toggle. What is toggle used for in jQuery? jQuery. in hide and show. Oops. I'm thinking about, can I use the toggle somehow hide the color, show the color. Can I use the toggle to toggle to change the color in jQuery? You will see how to make a double-click event on a paragraph element to toggle background color in jQuery. To toggle the background color of a div element on double-click, toggle class method is used. Toggle class. Let's check this website. Also, the Stack Overflow, maybe we find a nice answer. Let me close these extra pages. We don't need them anymore. It's not in English. When mouse is over, then div become green. I want when user clicks on div, then div persists green color. If they click again, then set color to the light blue. How can I do this? Thanks. Use the toggle class function instead. Use H. So whenever a user click on something, the function is going to happen, and the function is here. This toggle class green. Let me check the timer. I spent 25 minutes of practice today. I'm going to continue it tomorrow because right now I am super hungry. I have to go eat dinner. And after that, I am coming back and I'm going to watch a new video about, what was that? It was about backend. It was about backend. So tonight I'm going to learn a new video of backend. Tomorrow I'm going to come back and continue practice coding. And this is a good experience for me. And after the dinner, I have to write some notes from my university classes as well. So I think I'm going to be awake until the end of the night. And that's the hard work. And I will see the benefits at the end. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow.